Roll, roll, roll your boat, getting down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Hello, everyone. I am Auntie Ruth, as you know, and I'm welcoming you here again to Victory Land Virtual Class. Okay, I hope you are all doing well. Good, and I hope your day was great as well. All right, today we have another subject, and it's maths, and it's what? Mathematics. Good. So let's go to our slides and look at what we have today. Today we have what? Our strand is number, and our substrand is addition. Addition. Today we are going to do addition. All of you. Addition. And to my and to my and to my they causing me alarm. Good. So we are going to do what? Addition. All right. So when you talk about addition, what is it? Do you have anything in mind? What is addition? Addition. Let's be thinking about it. So meaning of addition. Addition. Okay, so let's read. It is the action or process of adding something to something else. Pay attention carefully. I hope you are following. Good. So the meaning of addition is what? It said it is the action or process of adding something to something else. Adding something to what? Something else. I hope you understood this. It's very clear. You are adding something to something else. You are adding an object to a different object. Good. It can also be defined as the process of calculating the total of two or more numbers or amounts. The total of calculating two or more numbers okay, or amount. I hope you get it. Good. So let's go to our next slide to take some. Okay, so let's take some guidelines in adding of objects together. Okay, how to add the objects in our examples. So before we go to our examples, let's take this guideline. 1, we are going to count the number of objects in the larger group. Bear this in mind. We are going to count what? The objects in the larger group. Then 2, move the items in the smaller group, one after the other, to the larger group and count on. Is that clear? I take our guidelines again. We are going to count the number of objects in the larger group. Then 2, move the items in the smaller group, one after the other, to the larger group and count on. I hope it is clear now. Good, so let's move on. Alright, so there's some example here. We have some pencils here on the screen, as you can see. We have 2 pencils and then 1 pencil. So we are going to add the larger group to the smaller group, okay? Good. So this is what? How many? 2. Let's count. 1, 2. We have 2 pencils. Let's add to this one. So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3. Please, do you get it? Yes, I know you are following. So let's start from the 1 pencil to the other 2 and see if we'll get another 3. So 1 pencil, 2 pencil, and 3 pencil. Good. So let's add all together. 1 plus 2. is equal to what? 3. So the 1 here stands for the 1 pencil. And this sign, what is this sign? This sign is the what? Addition sign, meaning we are adding. It is what? Plus. Meaning we are adding. Is that clear? Can you see the black sign here where the arrow is showing? Yes. It shows that what? We are adding 1 pencil to 2 pencil. Anytime you see this sign, it means there is an addition, okay? So we have 1 pencil plus 2 pencils is equal to what? 3. This sign is also doing what? Showing that we are summing up. Good. Good. So let's continue. There are more examples here. We have oranges and strawberries. So can we count the number of oranges that we have here? 1, 2, 3. We are counting together, okay? So let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 words. We have 7 oranges. Is that clear? Good. Let's count the number of strawberries. Can we count? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 7 oranges and 5 strawberries. So let's put all together. What we are coming to do now, we are coming to put all words together. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the orange. Let's add it. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So in all, we have how many fruits? 12 fruits. That is 5 strawberries and 7 oranges. So 5 plus 7 is equal to what? Can you count your counters again? Put 7 counters there and another 5. Are you done? Now add them together. Now add all together. Good. So we have how many? 12 fruits in all. Good. We have 7 oranges plus 5 strawberries as we did it. Okay. So this is how we got it. 7 and 5 make what? 12. As we said. So we are correct. Clap for yourself. You did very well. So 7 oranges and 5 strawberries, okay? That was what we added. So we have 7 plus 5 is equal to what? 12. And we said 7 and 5 make 12. So we have 7 plus 5 equal to what? 12. Good. So the plus, that is this sign I said earlier, is used to put things together. It's used to do what? Again. Good. Alright, so let's look at another example. Let's look at another example, okay? Good. So we have some balls here. So we are going to put all these things together. We are going to do what? Put all these things together. Good. So we have, let's count together. I'm waiting. So let's count. Okay, so let's do it. I hope you've counted it very well. So now let's all count it together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 balls here. Let's count the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. So we are going to add the 9 balls to the 6 balls. Let's join all here and count them together. So let's go to our next slide. So we are going to count all together, okay? Don't forget, we said we have how many? Good. We have 9 balls and we count on another one, that is 6. So let's count all together, okay? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are the 9th one. So let's count our remaining 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So we have 9 balls and 6 balls. So now we are adding 9 plus 6 is how many? Count your counters. Count 9 counters and another 6 counters. So in all we had how many? 15. We had how many? 15 balls. Wow, such an amazing. Wow, it was so nice. I hope now you know what is called addition, or you know what addition means, right? Putting something together, okay, or adding something to something else. Good. So now let's take our pencils. Today we are coming to draw. So take your pencils and your exercise books to write the following evaluations, okay? Good. Put the groups together and complete the sentences. Put the groups together and complete the sentences. Alright. Question number 1. We have some pair of shoes here. We have 4 pair of shoes and 3 pair of shoes. So what you are going to do now is that you are going to add them together. 4 plus 3. You count your counters and you add it together. Okay? Good. Alright. So in the next question, you are going to put this together and complete the sentences. What do we have here? We have eggs, right? Yes. So we are going to put all these eggs together. Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 eggs here. And the other side we have how many? 1 and 2. So we are going to add 8 eggs to the 2 eggs. Is that clear? We are going to add 8 eggs towards the 2 eggs. Good. I hope you understood and you can do it very well. Yes, I know my children. Alright. The next one. Wow, who is this? I guess it's you or your sister. Is it Madam Ruth? Count and put the groups together. I'm going to count and put these groups together. There is a 3 groups standing somewhere and a 1 person alone in a group standing. So you're going to add all together and write the answer. Here there is no answer. You're going to provide your own answer. Is that clear? I hope it's well understood. Yes. Oh, can you all smile? Let me see you smiling. Yes, I want to see your teeth. I want to see your teeth. I want you to smile. Like the image we have on the screen. Yes, we have a smiling image here. We have 1, do, you are going to count all this yourself, then you sum up, you add, and you write the correct answers down. You count the one in this group and the one in the other group, and you add all together. I hope you enjoy this lesson. I wish you all the best and take care of yourself, okay? See you in our next lesson. Bye. And thank you.